At the grocery store, most foods come in plastic packaging. Not only does this create a lot of waste, but they're not great at preventing spoilage. A team of scientists from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore and the Harvard Chan School of Public Health in the US have invented a new type of food packaging that tackles major concerns within today's food industry: waste and eco-friendliness. The material is able to eliminate harmful bacteria while also being biodegradable. The main ingredients for the fibers include zein, which is a protein derived from corn, starch, and cellulose nanocrystals, which come from plants. These biopolymers are electrospun to form the backbone of the fiber because they're easily broken down by harmful microbes such as E. coli and Listeria. They trigger the release of the antimicrobial compounds. The electrospinning process begins by filling a syringe with the biopolymer ingredients to form a solution with acetic acid. The syringe is held into place, and then the solution is slowly pushed out. With a high voltage, the solution will then be sprayed across a spinning drum that collects the nanofibers. As you can see, the nanofibers are spraying out and onto the aluminum foil. After about 15 minutes of electrospinning, the fibers are ready to process. In order to create a material that reacts to both relative humidity and enzyme changes, scientists incorporated a mixture of active ingredients and cyclodextrin inclusion complexes. The naturally derived active ingredients consist of thyme oil, derived from the thyme plant commonly used in cooking, citric acid found in citrus fruits, and niacin, which is an antibacterial peptide derived from milk and is used for food preservation. These three active ingredients are incorporated into the cyclodextrin inclusion complexes to create the relative humidity trigger. Cyclodextrins are unique sugar molecules that are able to encapsulate the active ingredients into their hydrophobic cavity to form the inclusion complexes. Cyclodextrin inclusion complexes are then able to slowly release the active ingredients when relative humidity reaches at least 85%. This animation, provided by NTU, depicts what happens when the relative humidity increases. The active ingredients are able to combat the dangerous microbes present on the fibers. In lab experiments, scientists found that strawberries wrapped in this material lasted 3 days longer than strawberries packaged in conventional plastic boxes we usually see at the grocery stores. Professor Chan, who's one of the scientists working on the project, describes the changes they still need to make in order to get the product on the market.
We have to optimize the processability, the cost, and the functionality, right? So can it extend the shelf life by 50%, 100%, 200%, and can it add other functionality, maybe nutrient preservation?
Although scientists like Professor Mary Chan are still working on tweaking the product, it is safe to say that a lot of companies are currently interested in using this product in their manufacturing process. Hopefully, within the next 2 years, the technology will scale up so that we can see this product on the shelves at the grocery store.